Hey mathematicians, in today's lesson we are going to be measuring length in inches, so make sure you have a ruler, a marker, and a pair of scissors. If you don't have it yet, go get it right now and we'll get ready to get started. Okay, boys and girls. So why are we going to learn how to measure length in inches? So that we can measure the length of small objects. And so we can accurately measure these objects as well. Now, we've already learned a little bit about a ruler. A ruler is a tool used to measure length. If you'll look carefully at your ruler and at this ruler, you'll see that one side has inches and the other side has centimeters. Today, we're just going to be working on the inches side. Now, I want you to think in your head, which one is bigger, inches or centimeters? Inches. Inches are bigger. So whenever you're using a ruler, if you're using inches, you're going to use the one with the bigger sized units. If you're using centimeters, you're using the part of the ruler with the smaller sized. Now remember that the length of a quarter is about 1 inch, so it's about this big. All right, so we're going to continue what we were doing before with our tiles, but this time we're going to use just the ruler. So for our example today, I'm going to measure my phone. For this part, just watch and learn. So first, I need to line up the first unit right at the edge, not at the edge of the ruler. This line right here, it means 0. This is where the units start. So I'm going to line it up with the edge of the object, the edge of my phone. Then I'm going to count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and almost 6. So I'm going to say that this cell phone is about 6 inches long. I'm carefully deciding the measurement, especially when it's between two numbers. Now let's try one together. Get your marker and your ruler ready. First, we're going to line up the first unit, or the 0, right at the edge of the object that we're measuring. Okay, then we're going to count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little extra. Last, we're going to carefully decide the measurement. We can see this one is between the 5 and 6, but it's definitely closer to the 5. So this marker is about 5 inches. Your marker might be a little bit different because different markers, depending on the brand, are different lengths. That's okay. Just make sure that you're following the steps to make sure you're measuring it correctly. Now it's your turn to practice. Pause the video and measure the length of your scissors with the ruler. All right, did you measure your scissors? Let's see if you got it right. First, we're going to line up the edge of the object with the first unit on the ruler. Then we're going to count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is almost exactly 5 inches. So these scissors are 5 inches. Are your scissors 5 inches too? Great job, boys and girls. Now you can measure length in inches. Great work. See you next time.